All right, folks, welcome back. I went ahead and just put me another one on here. And let's see if I get this tenon cleaned up. This is one that just had problems with tenon, so I gave up on it, put it to the side until I get figured out. So we'll see what happens here. All right, let's see if it likes that tenon. Hopefully it does. So the first thing I'm gonna do, it's a good bite. First thing I'm gonna do is bring this round. Don't know if I want to keep that high and low spot yet, but definitely know I want to get it round. Leave some of the bark on here, but I don't know what I want to make. I don't like this crack right here. That crack right there goes all the way down. Hopefully it ain't too much into it. We'll find out. I enjoy it, so it's all good. All right, let me take a couple minute thoughts together here and figure out how I'm gonna do this all, besides just that. I'll be right back.
Turn up over here.
All right, about all gone. So what I could do, make a box out of this. Cut the top off here. Put tenon on it. Cut the box off. Use tenon as part of the cover. Let's see how that works. Right, that bevel nice and slow to the center. There we go. Now it's nice and flush. I think I'm gonna have to get another piece of wood to make the cover, but that's okay. I don't mind. Let's see about maybe just a little something right there so I can get a burn mark in, you know. I think this is about it for the outside. That's the way this looks. Get some, I'm kind of breaking it up a little bit. I'm a little bored. So, since I finished up outside, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it up. Alright, so that's basically what I'm gonna go through, do. And after that, we'll go to the inside, see what we can do on the inside, and then we'll get the cap going on it. All right, got it all sanded up to 800. So I'll go ahead and put some sanding sealer on it, and put a finish wax on it, and we'll call that a day. Not sure what I'm gonna use it for, but anyways, now I got it on the inside here, and as long as I can stay away from here, getting this, I'll be all right. All right. Dude, that looks good. Why does every time I do one and then
explodes on here, and then the next one I do, it just comes up so sweet. I mean, I ain't complaining, don't get me wrong, guys. And I don't mind sharing my food. Here we go, got a little design in there. I don't know if you're able to make it out or not. A little design in here, just put some circles in the bottom, you know. So, all I gotta do now is sand it, and it should be all done. So, I'll show you a little bit of sanding, like I'll do the same as I did the outside. Gotta get down in that bottom. Might help if I put it on the right side, huh? I know y'all laughing at me. I heard it. Don't feel bad, I was laughing too. Show you a new way of sanding. Okay, we got it sanded up to 320 on the inside. Looks pretty nice. It's got add some sanding sealer on here. Got some wax on it. And figure out how to do what I want to do for a lid. Like I said, I haven't decided what kind of lid I'm gonna do up. Well, looky here. Dang! This is a piece I had over there from something I popped off earlier. These just might to work. Take off this, bring it all down. Then I'm gonna shrink this down slowly till it pops on there nicely how I want it to fit. And then I'll bring the tailstock up, bend it all together, and then see what happens. All right, let's see the bowl here. So I don't want it to sit in that much. It'll probably sit on top. So half of this needs to go. So I can sit up there and I can bring it in slow. See what happens. That looks nice, it really does. Let me just sand it out. No sense of messing with it. We'll sand it, then we'll turn it over, and we'll sand the tenon. We'll go through the grits. Just gotta sand it easy because I really don't have much to put it on. All right, let's get some wax put on her, and it should be done. Well, here you go, folks. This is it right here. This thing's pretty sweet looking, you know? Yeah, okay, I can do that. I can do that all day. If you like what you saw, give a little a like, and subscribe and leave a comment. Yeah, I know the crack's not bad. I doubt it's gonna go anymore. Remember, I put some glue on it, and it's noticeable, but that's what makes it look nice. And then this here, yeah, just worked out nice. Pretty sweet. Anyway, all right, y'all. You guys have a nice one. Until the next episode. See ya.